Welcome back to Kaizen Trader Sleep. This is your time to disconnect. The markets are closed. The charts are fading away into the dark. Tonight, we explore the quiet architecture of the blockchain. Breathe in slowly and let it out. Let us travel back to a quiet winter in 2008. A document arrives on a cryptography mailing list. 9 pages of black text on a white background. The author is Satoshi Nakamoto, a ghost in the machine. There is no emotion in the text, only mathematics. It describes a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, a system that requires no trust, no banks, no central servers, just nodes communicating in the dark. Tick, 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 like a very slow, very reliable clock. Let your mind focus on the concept of the hash, specifically the secure hash algorithm, SHA-256. It is a mathematical blender. You put data inside, any data, a word, a number, a book, and it produces a fixed string of letters and numbers, 64 characters long, every single time. It is a one-way street. You cannot reverse the math. If you change one single letter in the input, the output changes completely, unrecognizably. It is perfectly cold, perfectly logical. The miners are simply looking for a specific hash, a hash that begins with a certain number of zeros, 0000. They guess and they check, millions of times per second. It is a monotonous, repetitive task, just like the steady beating of your heart, calm, consistent, unchanging. Now, let us move deeper into the architecture. Imagine a lock, not made of iron or steel, but made of pure mathematics. A lock so complex, so perfectly designed, that all the computers on Earth, working together for 1 million years, could not break it. This is the cryptography that protects the network. There are 2 keys, a public key visible to everyone, like an address on a quiet street, and a private key hidden in the dark, known only to you. When a transaction is made, the private key signs it. A digital signature, completely unique, completely unbreakable. You do not need to trust a bank. You do not need to trust a government. You only need to trust the math. And the math is always true. Feel the security of that absolute truth. It wraps around you like a heavy blanket. No one can change the numbers. No one can open the lock. Your mind is secure. Your thoughts are protected. Just breathe in and breathe out. Let the complex algorithms do the heavy lifting. You have nothing left to calculate tonight. Picture the world map again, covered in darkness, sleeping in the quiet night. Under the oceans, thick fiber optic cables carry pulses of light. They are transmitting the blocks, broadcasting the truth. Thousands and thousands of nodes are awake so you can sleep. A node in a cold room in Iceland receives the data. It checks the signature. It checks the hash. Is it valid? Yes. A node in a quiet apartment in Tokyo receives the same data. It runs the same math. It asks the same question. Is it valid? Yes. One by one, across the globe, the machines agree. This is called consensus, a perfect, harmonious agreement. There is no argument. There is no debate. There is no panic selling or euphoric buying. There is only the quiet verification of facts. Imagine your own mind reaching consensus. The anxious thoughts of the day are being verified and then discarded. They are no longer relevant. They are not part of the main chain. You are finding your balance. You are aligning with the quiet rhythm of the network. Ten minutes pass. A new block is found. The network nods in agreement. Let us think about time. Deep, endless time. The system is designed with a clock that will tick for more than 100 years. It does not care about the daily news. It does not care about quarterly profits. It only cares about the blocks. Every 210,000 blocks, something beautiful happens. It takes exactly 4 years. 4 long years of continuous, unbroken calculation. And then the reward is cut in half. The halving. The new supply slows down. The protocol becomes quieter, more scarce, more valuable. It is an artificial gravity pulling everything closer to the center. 50, 25, 12.5, 6.25. The numbers get smaller. The emission gets slower, like a heavy pendulum slowly coming to a rest. Your breathing is like the halving. Each breath is becoming slower. Each exhale is longer than the last. You are winding down. The energy of the day is being cut in half, and then in half again, and again, until there is almost nothing left but stillness. The blocks will keep stacking. Tomorrow, next year, next decade. But for now, you are slowing down. Now, let us move the assets offline, away from the internet, away from the exchanges, away from the noise. We're moving into cold storage. Imagine a small piece of hardware, black, heavy metal. It holds the keys to everything, but it is completely silent. It is unplugged. It is disconnected from the world. No hacker can reach it. No panic can affect it. It is placed inside a physical safe, deep in the dark. The steel door is closed. The combination is locked. Your mind is going into cold storage now, disconnecting from the Wi-Fi, disconnecting from the news. You are unplugging your thoughts. There is no more data coming in. There is no more data going out. You are completely offline, completely secure, just resting in the dark, heavy and undisturbed. Let us return to where we started, Block 0, the Genesis block. The year 2009 is a long time ago. The man who created it has vanished like a ghost. He left the machine running and he walked away into the snow. He does not control it anymore. Nobody controls it. It is just a mathematical force of nature, like gravity, like the tides of the ocean. The blocks continue to fall into place. 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. But the sound is getting quieter now. The hum of the servers is fading away. The blue lights of the nodes are turning off, one by one. London is asleep. New York is asleep. Tokyo is asleep. The global network is resting. There is nothing left to analyze. The charts are completely black. The portfolio is closed. The numbers do not matter until tomorrow, and tomorrow is very far away. Right now, there is only the slow rhythm of your breathing. Inhale the cool night air. Exhale the heat of the day. Let the logic dissolve. Let the mathematics blur. You are drifting away from the blockchain, drifting away from the screen, sinking deeper and deeper into the mattress. The gravity is heavy. The night is quiet. There are no more words, no more calculations, Only the sound of the rain, only the dark room. Close your eyes. Let go of the network. Good night. Good night. Good night.